are watching Becky Vicky Hairstylist World. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you so much for always coming around. Thank you all so much for your support. I love you all. If you are today is the first time you are coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. This is Becky Vicky Hairstylist World, the best channel where you can see all the new and trendy hairstyle idea, inspiration, tips and tutorial for women when it comes to braid. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you all so much. If you're a new subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell because Becky Vicky Hairstylist will upload every day. Let's get started, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get this twist braid hairstyle done with design at the side. This is all about twist braid with a touch of design at the side by the use of braiding gel. You are going to be seeing step by step on how to achieve this hairstyle, and you are also going to be seeing how you can style it at the end of it after braiding. You are going to be seeing all. This is a braided hairstyles with extension. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video very interesting, and also don't forget to share this video out with your friends and family. All credit to this video goes to the original owner of this photo. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Sit down pretty, watch this video to the end. At the end of it, you are going to learn one or two things. This is trading hairstyles idea for women. This is a new hairstyle that is trading on TikTok and Instagram, IG. For all the amazing women out there, take a look at this style. See how she wrap it. It's a twist braid at the side, and you're also going to be seeing one twist at the middle of it. At the end of it, guys, this hairstyle will come out so beautifully. You're going to see how beautiful and pretty this style will be. Thank you all so much. Sit down, watch this video to the end. Don't be in a hurry. At the end of it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If there's any question, kindly drop it in the comment section below. Love you all. Watch this video to the end. See you all in my next video. Bye.